Hey guys, this is your market recap for the week, and markets did move higher, which is good news, after the Fed did deliver its third straight rate cut, and investors leaned into the idea of a soft landing as opposed to kind of a cratering economy and recession. So that's good news. The S&P 500 and Dow moved closer to all-time highs, and the big shift was really leadership. The Russell 2000, which is small cap stocks, hit record highs on consecutive days. And an equal weight S&P 500 outperformed as leadership rotated from mega cap growth to small caps and cyclicals. Meanwhile, the NASDAQ and large cap growth were mostly flat, and defensive sectors also lagged. In bonds, prices dipped modestly as Treasury yields edged higher on expectation the Fed may pause. Oil stayed near a 4-year low, gold hovered near record levels, and Bitcoin stayed pretty volatile. On the economy side, the job market is cooling, so slower hiring, easing wage inflation, but no broad layoffs as of yet. Inflation is easing, but still above the Fed's 2% target, and risks remain from tariffs and supply chain shifts and geopolitics and things like that. But the Fed's quarter basis point cut was framed as kind of fine tuning, not a long cutting cycle. It was divided, the vote 9-3, and the projected rate cuts for next year are only one at this point, which is we'll see. That could change any day, but as of now, that's the projection. J.P. Morgan also described the U.S. consumer as a bit more fragile as savings cushions fade, and remember, the consumer is of course 70% of our economy. So that's we need consumers to feel good about things and spend. It's the bottom line. And next week, inflation and jobs reports are really the big catalysts. Is the labor market just cooling or weakening, and is inflation still moving towards the 2% target? Are we getting kind of stuck near this 3%? So that'll kind of be an interesting story next week as we look at those two reports. So that's what we've got for this week, folks. I appreciate you tuning in and hope you guys have a great weekend. Thanks.